Assalamu alaikum Genius Learners. Welcome to the Genius Learners Academy. This is Adiba Fatma and today we are going to discuss about physiology. So what is physiology? It is the branch of biology that deals with the study of functioning and mechanism of action of life and living matter, including physical and chemical processes as well as metabolisms. So let's talk about the history of physiology. First of all, Ibn Nafis, after 1,000 years of Quranic revelation, described blood circulation in his diagrams, and after that, after some 100 years, William Harvey described the blood circulation again. Claude Bernard is known as the father of modern physiology. So now let's discuss about the example of physiology. So for example, the functioning of blood or cardiac cycle is an example of physiology, that how blood pumps, how heart pumps the blood and how heart beats. Now the types of physiology, the first is medical physiology, animal physiology, plant physiology, cell physiology, and comparative physiology as well. So now Quranic reference is here. In Surah Nahl, verse number 66, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, "Cattle has a lesson for you. We give you to drink from what is within the body, coming from the conjunction between the constituents of intestine and blood, milk which is pure for you to health." Subhanallah. So, what is the hint to memorize the definition of physiology? So, as physiology starts from the sound of F and F for function, so physiology is the study of functioning of living matter. In this way, you can remember that. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to my channel.